Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Answers Simplified. In this video, I will be sharing answers of Viva Class 7 Social Science, Civics, Chapter number 2, the State Government, its working and let us discuss the short answer type questions. First question, describe the main functions of the state legislature. Answer, the state legislatures perform many functions, the main one being that of making laws. They make laws on the subjects specified in the state list. They can also abolish outdated laws. They also keep a watch over the finances of the state. Question number 2. Differentiate between the Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. Legislative Assembly, it is the lower house of the legislature. Council, it is the upper house of the legislature. Assembly, it is called Vidhan Sabha. Legislative Council, it is called Vidhan Parishad. Assembly, the term of Legislative Assembly is of 5 years and the term of Legislative Council is of 6 years. Third question, how is a Legislative Assembly constituted? Answer, the number of members of the Legislative Assemblies varies depending upon the population of the state. According to the Constitution of India, the number of members in the Legislative Assembly should not exceed 500 and should not be less than 60. However, Goa, Mizoram, Sikkim and Nagaland are exceptions and have less than 60 members. This is known as proportional representation. Question 4. Mention the qualifications necessary to become an MLA. Answer. Qualifications of an MLA. The candidate has to contest the assembly elections of a state. He or she should be a citizen of India. She should be a voter in any constituency of that state. He or she should not be less than 25 years of age. In case of contesting for a seat reserved for scheduled castes or scheduled tribes, she should be a member of SCs or STs. He or she should not be convicted of any offence and sentenced to imprisonment of 2 years or more. Question 5. Chief Minister is the real head of the state executive. Elaborate. Answer. The Chief Minister is the actual head of the government at the state level. He or she is the leader of the party that wins majority of seats. His or her term is for 5 years. Functions and powers of the Chief Minister. He is the leader of the Council of Ministers. The Council of Ministers is appointed by the Governor on the Chief Minister's advice. The Chief Minister coordinates the work of different departments and the working of the government in the state. The Chief Minister works as a link between the Governor and the Council of Ministers. He or she presides over cabinet meetings. He or she selects and decides the portfolios of different ministers and supervisors and manages all administration of the state. Thank you for watching.